Hey everyone, I made it into Dillard's and check out this coat. Let's see, by GB, $109. I'm not sure if that is G by guess. I don't think so. It just says GB on it. Here, it's a little short one. This one, the brand is called Fashion on Earth for $59. They are really soft. They are short. I do not see any pockets in the front. So if you're about that pocket life, actually this one does. They're like kind of hidden. Okay, so they might. The black one does. Does this one have pockets? They do. I'm so wrong. So sorry about that. Normally you can see because they poke out. And what is this one with the fur hoodie by Copper Key? Green is kind of like quilted. These are $79 and they also offer it in pink. I think I'm gonna end the video here. And Dillard's, $79. So they have a lot of North Face, and those puffy jackets, most of them are gonna be Michael Kors. More North Face, and then I'll walk over here. Kind of like the fuzzy ones for $100. You do get 2 pockets right in the front and plenty of North Face. I did like a few that I seen, and there was a really nice Element camo one. It's more like a raincoat. I'm gonna have to show you. This one is $100 for the vest, and $100. You have the green one. It's gonna zipper right here, and they also have it in black. Here is a white one for $100. It is a little longer in the back, and here's the back of the sleeve. It kind of has that, you know, that feeling, that little like sleeve cover. I kind of like this. I feel like this is not too heavy, but really great for casual outing if you're wearing leggings or something, faux leather, or you know, just regular leggings. Now this is $278, and this is by Elaine Fisher. These are really nice. These are velvet. I don't see the matching pants for it, but it does come in gray, because wouldn't these make like really nice fancy loungewear sets, you know, in your house? You know, be that fabulous girl. Oh yeah, we need the pants to match. And $79 again by GB. So I'm trying to figure out if it's Gianni Beanie, because you know Gianni Beanie. And the shoes, this is kind of cool. And this is by Dickies for $69. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, you guys, because somebody was stealing, and you know, I didn't even see her. She was next to me the whole time, and I don't want them to think like she's with me, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and go. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Now this is really cute, $35, and I am loving this red flannel here. And they also have this, look, they could wear a dress. The dresses with the corduroy and 2 pockets in the front, they're coming back, and this is really cute. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.